Are the Facebook sound effects driving you crazy? Those constant clicks, taps, and notification noises can get annoying really fast, especially when you're trying to scroll quietly. In this quick step-by-step video, I'll show you exactly how to turn off all sounds inside the Facebook app so you can finally use it in peace. So what we're going to do is to open the Facebook mobile app on either your iPhone or your Android device. It's not important because the steps are the same, and you'll then want to open the settings page. In order to get to the settings, click on Menu at the bottom right corner of the screen, and then expand this Settings and Privacy option. Then Settings, and you'll want to scroll a little bit until you see this Media button. The options which we're looking for are these three right here. You can disable this Play All Sounds in App option, and that instantly removes all of those clicking and tapping noises that Facebook makes while you scroll through the app. You then have these two extra switches right under it. Reels start with sound on, and Stories start with sound on. If you turn these off, then every reel and every story will start completely muted, even if the original video has sound. This is super useful when you're in public, at work, or just trying not to bother anyone around you. You can still tap the screen to enable sound whenever you want. It just won't blast audio automatically.